Did your Echo Dot suddenly stop connecting to Bluetooth? You're not the only one. Here's how you can get it working again, right now. First, make sure your Echo Dot is plugged in and powered on. Next, check that your Bluetooth device, like your phone or speaker, has Bluetooth turned on and is close by. Open your Alexa app and tap Devices. Find your Echo Dot, then tap Bluetooth Devices. If you see your device listed, tap on it and hit Forget Device. Then, pair it again by saying, Alexa, pair. Try connecting your Bluetooth device now. Still not working. Restart both your Echo Dot and your Bluetooth device. Sometimes, all they need is a fresh start. Also, double-check your Echo Dot software is up to date. Say, Alexa, check for updates. Let it finish before you try again. If you have too many Bluetooth devices connected, remove some. Sometimes, Echo Dot gets confused by too many options. Last step, move your Echo Dot and Bluetooth device closer together. Walls and other electronics can block the signal. That's it. Follow these steps, and your Echo Dot should be back to streaming music in no time. If problems continue, check Amazon's help page for more tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes.